Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel again, and in this video, I'll be simply showing you the best and the top 3 discounts code for Duolingo application or software. Basically, Duolingo is a software learning or a language learning platform where you can learn various languages. So in this video, I'm just casually showing you the steps that where you can find the best available promo codes for this month for 2024. I am on the website, that is any of the website. You can search it on your Google Chrome like best available promo codes for Duolingo. As you can see on the screen, there is a lot of promo codes available right now and they all are active. You can go to this website and then find out the codes like this just only from your browser, because there is no other feature to do it, because there is no promo code section in the app, so you can find it through the third party browser available on your device. Copy the code, paste it, and yes, you can avail it. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.